Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are taking down our Christmas decoration and cleaning up a bit. I hope you guys can get some motivation for this new year. If you're in a Christmas slump, hopefully this will get you going. I am starting by our entry table. I'm just going to show y'all the hot mess we have right now. Just all the decorations, and then all the kids' toys are laid out in the living room. And then I'm going to get started by the entryway table. That 2-tier tray that you see right there, I got from my sister-in-law. She gave it to me for Christmas through our family gift exchange that we do. And she got it from Hobby Lobby, which we do not have one here in Hawaii. It's only on the mainland. So I was really grateful when she got me that gift. I absolutely love it. So I started to just go around the living room, and so I started in the entryway table, went to our living room, and then just went around until I got all this area done. Should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. These lights and this garland was such a hot mess. Everything was tangled up because there was a strand of lights that did not work, so I tried to weave it where I got the working lights to be in a certain section, so that's why I had such a struggle, but I finally did get it all organized. What do I know? Here I was just cutting the ribbon off to the wreath. That's how I usually hang them, with some ribbon, and then I just cut it. It's really easy when I go to take it down. And then here I'm just taking off the lights that are battery operated. So I'm just taking them off the wreath right here. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away. If you want to see a whole Christmas tour of the house, I do have a video that I put up way after the fact, but I did make it if you're interested in that. Also, I have the ribbon here that I'm taking off the Christmas tree. So simple. I seriously love doing this. I will definitely be doing this next year. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I started with taking off the ribbon first, and then I took out the ornaments, and then next the garland. I also wanted to let y'all know all I did for the ornaments was put them in plastic bags and sort the simple ones and then the more intricate ones that I need to really be careful with. No special way of putting them in cases. This was just what works for us. It's simple, and we have the bags on hand, so it works. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. So while I was doing all the inside decor, my husband was doing the outside decor, And then I did end up struggling with the bottom of the tree, so I had to wait for him on that. And then also, if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Like I said earlier, these are the bins my husband was working on. We ended up with 2 more big bins from Target that are very sturdy. So we got quite a bit this year, and I'm so excited for next year already. Here are all the decorations all in one spot. As you see, I have the ornaments here, and then I just have all the wreaths and pillows, and I will try to fit as much as I can in this box without breaking anything. And then I did end up using 2 additional bins that I will have stuff set aside for. Also, our little tip we have is my husband will put labels on the boxes as you saw above, and he'll label them indoor and outdoor for Christmas, so that way we know if it's inside decor or outside, like the lights. In that pot you see right there, I have some oranges, apples, cinnamon, and whole cloves. I will place it on low and add water as needed. It will make your house smell delicious, and I usually start this in fall and keep it all the way till spring usually. Also, if you have some apples or oranges going bad, just add them to a pot with some water with cinnamon sticks, and your house will smell amazing. I like to reuse plastic bags if they are not disgusting, so I will usually just wash it out, let it dry, and reuse it. The way I do dishes, I will usually rinse them all off, and then I will place all the dishwasher dishes in the dishwasher, and then I will wash by hand all the wash only items and then just let them dry. I am trying to work my way up to having natural only products in the house. It is quite the process, but the only problem I have with cleaning products is trying to disinfect all the items I'm trying to clean off properly. So if you guys have any suggestions for natural disinfectants, please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you. Well, I wasn't going to clean up the living room because I was going to have the boys clean it up, but Brayden wanted to help, so I decided to help him, and we got it done pretty quickly with his help. If you have any kids at all, having bins like this will help keeping the kids' toys kind of contained. It does help when they need to go take their items to their room. Right now we do have all their Christmas stuff, so we're just letting them have it out for right now, and it's Christmas break, so they'll be just bringing stuff out all the time. Let me go. Brayden did get a vacuum for Christmas. It turns on, so he loves that fact. We let him use it as much as he wants, obviously, and we actually upgraded to a Dyson V8. We did have the Dyson V6, and this one actually has a lot more suction and much more oomph to it, so I do love that, and it also picks up bigger pieces, so I love that fact. Also, the reason we upgraded was because my husband got a great deal at Best Buy during the month of Christmas, so we just took advantage of that. The last Christmas decoration was in the boys' bedroom, and then all I had to take down in the guest bedroom was a couple items and one little Christmas tree in our master bedroom. So that was all for the Christmas decorations. I have really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I've been hanging out with my family while editing, so that has really helped me as well. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a happy new year.